that you can. If you open strong, it comes strong. Like this, right? Hello, everybody, and today I would like to show how to make free gas from gasoline or petrol. Okay, and I'll start to do. First, we need to make a hole on the cover of this bottle. Okay, and then I start to make a hole. Okay, each cover I have to make a hole. I have to make a double hole like this, right? Done. And then this one the same. Okay. And now you can see I done the double hole each cover. Okay. Okay, right now I made a double hole on each cover, right? So, and then we need to use like this, right? With a plastic pipe to connect between bottle to bottle. Okay, and then I start to connect this one. You can see, right? With this pipe. Just plastic pipe, and I will connect it with this one, right? You see? Like this. Just you have to remember, we just put insert this one just around here, yeah, just here, right? Close to the cover. Don't need it. Oh, the first line, yes, right. This one. We have to, oh yes, okay, this one we have to insert this pipe around here, right? Around here, close to the cover. And for the second, you can see, right? And for the second one, we put this one into this pipe, into this bottle, until the bottom of the bottle, right? You can see, right here, until we insert this pipe until the bottom of this bottle. Different, right? This one just here, but this one, the end of this pipe is a bottom. Different. You have also have to remember this one, right? Okay. And then this pipe just connect with this, connect here for input or for refill the air into this bottle, right? Okay. But you have to remember, you can see, right, this pipe, we have to insert until the bottom of this bottle. Make sure it can push the air through by this pipe, fill go into this bottle, right? Okay. And for this one, we will connect here. This pipe for come out of the petrol gas, for the gas come out to burn, right? Okay, I start to connect it. Okay, here. But you have to remember, just around here, right? Just around here, you can see. Not the same, right? I will open this for also to see. Okay, you have to remember, right? We just connect like this, right? Okay. Then I start to use it, but all of you have to remember how to use the clue to use the clue for making sure no any linking as like air or gas as well. Okay, start to use the clue. Okay, right now I start to use the glue. Okay, you can see this, right? The same. It's the same, right? We use the glue make sure no any linking, right? Okay. After we use the glue, spend around 3 or 5 minutes. It will solid. Okay. Okay. Then I use this drum for storing, refill the air for using during the process our video, our item, right? So you can see the bottle valve here and the bottle up. I make a hole already, and then you can see like this, right? For refill the air. Okay, and then now I start to use this one, right? Right? This one we can close and open the ear. Like this, right? Okay, then I will be right. I will refill the ear by this one and come out ear by this one. Right. Now I start to fill the water, the gasoline, petrol, and water. Okay. First I need to open cover out. Okay. And then I will to this one, right? First, this we fill it. This is a gasoline, right? Gasoline. You gasoline only 2 liters. Okay, now I feel this is water. Water. Okay. This, and then I start to cover the last cover. Now I ready, so I need to connect the pipe to the drum, storing the air. Okay, like this, right? Okay, done, right? I will fill the air by this valve and can close and open up to you, and then the air will go, right? Will go into this gasoline bottle, and then gasoline bottle will push the air to the water bottle, and then it come out by this pipe. We can burn, can use it. That we change from gas, from petrol or gasoline to gas, right? Okay, so now I start to fill the air by pump. I start to fill the air by pump. Okay, let you see. Okay, I start to do like this, then you can see. Okay, full. Okay, and then we prepare for start our project. Then you can see air, gasoline, water, and gas here, right? Okay, I start to open the valve, and now you can see valve here. Okay, now I feel the air in this drum already, right? You can see a strong pressure with air. I will start to open the air, push into this gasoline bottle, and then gasoline bottle will push air to the water bottle and come out the gas like this. Okay, I start to open. When I open it, you can see the purple of the gas, the petrol and water, right? So I start to open again. If you open strong, the ready, right? Okay, and then I start. You can see the gas is come out by this pipe. I will so turn by lighter. It's very easy, right? If you can, if you open strong, it comes strong like this, right? It's good, right? It's very easy for us you to see, right? Just use only 2 liters of the petrol. You can use it around 1 week or more than 1 week, right? You can. It's very easy, especially for the people living in the countryside, the place without the electricity or other. You can use this one. You just combine from the petrol to the gas-free gas, right? You can use more than 1 week, around 2 liters, right? Just one time, you can use for a long time. good, right? In your race, be careful when you follow our page or follow it by us, right? It's good. Okay, for the last, I would like to say thank you for all of you that you see my my making video and my video. So hope you see the video. If you want to see my next video, please help me to subscribe and to hit the bell. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.